Hey guys, Jordan with Off Leash Canine here, and with me I have a 5-month-old Cane Corso. His name is Kilo. He is a sweetie when he warms up. Other than that, new people, new dogs, he's definitely a little hesitant, especially in new areas. A little bit of growling, a little bit of nipping if it's a new person. So it takes him a little bit to warm up, but once he does, he is very sweet. And those were his mom's main concerns, just the nipping and the overall little bit of reactivity towards new people. They do like his protectiveness, but it's, they want to be able to take him in public without him growling or biting somebody, especially when he gets a little bit bigger. So other than that, he has no prior training. Let's see what he already knows before we start our 2 weeks. Alright guys, I'll check back with 2 weeks and we'll see what Kilo's learned.